Good morning, student. Today, once again, we are going to discuss a sample papers. Our first question: which of the following is the cause of cognitive disability? Cognitive disability, it is a neurological disability in which the person is unable to store, process, and produce the information. Therefore, he faces difficulty in reading, writing, speaking. And the cause of cognitive disability may be prenatal drug infections and exposures to alcohol, genetic, also lack of oxygen, etc. These all are the cause of cognitive disability. Which of the following is the cause of ADHD? ADHD means attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, and the cause of ADHD are genes and heredity, brain injury and epilepsy, environmental cause, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Ball handling is an activity that starts in a child in the developmental stage called infancy state. The source, this extrovert are full of self-confidence, very social, outgoing and lively. All of these extroverts are extrovert. Those persons who are extroverts, they are open-minded, socially adjust with the others, talkative, etc. One of the following methods, which one is used for developing flexibility? Flexibility, it is the ability of a person to stretch the joint as much as possible without any pain. There are two types of methods to develop flexibility, like active flexibility training methods, passive flexibility training methods, in which we use slow stretching activity, ballistic, back flexor exercise, etc. These all are the methods to improve flexibility. So here option C is the correct answer. It is not used to develop flexibility. Which of the following is non-nutritive component of diet? Non-nutritive component of diet are those diet which does not provide nutrients, and the non-nutritive components of diet are fibers, caffeines, waters, etc. Correct answer is all of these. Riboflavin is the scientific name of which vitamin? It is the name of vitamin B2. Which ability is most useful in gymnastic? Orientation ability. The exercise in which there is no direct movement, hence they cannot be observed, are isometric exercise. Iso means same, metric means length. So in isometric exercise, the length of the muscles remain the same. There is no movement, therefore the work is zero. There is no movement, there is no visible movement. Next is walking, running, climbing and sitting are examples of gross motor skill. Gross motor skills means development of big muscle. Which of the following is not a Big Five theory? Big Five theory, it classifies the personality on the base of emotion. It is ocean, openness, conscientiousness, agreeableness, extroversions, neuroticisms, etc. So here option C is the correct answer. It is not the part of Big Five theory. People with heart, abdominals or brain surgery should avoid which asana? They should avoid Earth Chakrasana. People suffering from diarrhea, heart problems and hernia should avoid Chakrasana. This is the study of force and their effect on living things. Biomechanics. Biomechanics, it is the study of force and its effect on the living things. Bio means living things, and mechanics, it is a field of physics. So biomechanics, it is the study of force and its effect on the living things, which is deformity of spinal curvature in bees. There is an increase in backward curve. Increase in backward curve, it is lordosis. Which of the following is not the basic movement of early childhood? Skipping and running, it is not the basic movement. Who introduced footwork training methods? Footwork training methods, it was introduced by O. Asterns and Gustav Holness. In footwork training methods, it is used to develop endurance of an individual, in which we use natural track to perform. In footwork training method, the athlete is free to set his speed. He may run, walk, jog, etc. He is free. Which thus have narrow shoulders, thin narrow face and little body fat. Ectomorphic. Ectomorphic person. W.S. Selden classified the human personality into three types on the basis of their structures, that is endomorphic, mesomorphic, ectomorphic. Endomorphic, those persons who are endomorphic, they are fatty persons, pear-shaped body. Mesomorphic means muscular body structures, and ectomorphic, these persons are lean and thin persons. They have narrow shoulders, thin narrow face and very little body fat. They are good in running activity. Injury caused to muscle, ligament, tendons and skin are soft tissue injury. Okay, soft tissue injury. Which of the following is not a guideline followed for the person with vision? Do not grab their canes or arms. Discuss about pre-made responsibility of sports committee. Their pre-made responsibility of sports committee, like organizing committee. The work of organizing committee before the tournament is to do all the planning for the tournament, to get appropriate form, to get approved from the higher authority for organizing the tournament, arrange all the equipment, tools, officials, umpires, available resource, etc. to conduct the tournament, and chief technical advisors, their pre-work is to check the technical aspect of the tournaments like play field, playground, equipment, etc. And the chairpersons, their responsibility before the tournament is to arrange the finance and fund, to plan for the success of the tournament, etc. These all are the pre-made responsibility. Explain why fat are important for human beings. Fat. First, nutrients. It is nutrients. Foods contain nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, minerals. Fat, it is a macronutrients which are required in large quantity. We should take about 5 to 10% of fat in our body. Fat contains atoms of carbon, hydrogens and oxygens. Fat provide energy. Fat are the important source of energy for long duration. for long durations activity. It's help in the transportations of various vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, K. It also help during blood clotting, maintenance of skin and hair, and fat are stored under our skin in the form of glycogen. Therefore they also act as emergency source of energy. There are two types of fat: saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Saturated fat means those fat which we get from the animal product like ghee, butters, oil, animal fat, etc. And unsaturated fat means those fat which we get from the plant products like mm, like soya oil, peanuts oil, olive oil, etc. Discuss discuss about the importance of vitamin D for human body, and also mention also mention its various source. Vitamin D. First, vitamin D. Vitamin D, it is a fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin D, it is important for the formations of strong bones and teeth. We get vitamin D from the sunlight, and the deficiency of vitamin D cause rickets. And the source are like milk, butters, green vegetables, tomato, etc. For which benefit people do Gomukh asanas. Gomukh asanas helps to increase the flexibility of the spine and tone of the muscles of the whole body. It helps to cure kyphosis, posture deformity, it cure asthma, back pain, etc. How is cognitive disability different from intellectual disability? Explain in brief. Cognitive disability, it affects a person's thought process, personality and memory resulting. It is result from neurological disorders in which the persons face difficulty in storing, processing and producing the new information. Therefore, he faced difficulty in writing, speaking and reading, writing and speaking. And intellectual disability, it is an intellectual and developmental disorders which release in difficulty in thought process, learning, communications, problem solving using the informations accurately, making judgment, etc. And the cause may be due to brain injury, low birth weight, biological factors, environmental factors, etc. Why this osteoporosis is not in your syllabus? Next is what is different between motor fitness and general motor ability. First, motor fitness, it is the ability of a person's motor ability, it is the ability to develop a child bones and muscles, and ability to move around and manipulate in the environment. There are two types of motor development: gross motor development and fine motor development. Gross motor development means development of big muscles, and fine motor development means development of small muscles. Discuss the procedure of standing broad jump. Standing broad jump standing broad jumps helps to check the helps to check the strength explosive strength and endurance of the lower leg. First, the athletes do a warming up. After doing warming up, he stand behind a line mark on the ground with a feet slightly open, and he jump forward as much as possible, landing both the feet without falling backward. 3 attempts are allowed and the best land is measured. And this standing broad jump has to measure the explosive strength of the leg. Next is what kind of injury are lacerations, incisions, spinal sprain, strain. First, laceration. Laceration, it is a kind of wound which is caused by a blunt object. Okay, laceration, it is the wound caused by a blunt object. Incision, it is also a type of wounds which is caused by sharp-edged object like razors, knife, etc. Sprain, it is a ligament injury in which the ligament is damaged or tear. It is caused due to overstretching of ligament, twisting, violent pull, etc. And strain, it is the injury of the muscle fibers in which the muscle fiber is damaged or tears. It is caused by overstretching of muscles or due to violent pull. Muscle fiber get damaged or teared and cause swelling, loss of functioning of the injured muscles, etc. Next is how is elimination tournament different from round robin tournament. Also explain the different way of drawing of fixtures in both the tournament. Elimination tournament is also known as knockout tournament. In elimination tournament, the team which is defeated, he will eliminate from the tournament. He will not get second chance. Only the winner players will play for this match till one team is decided winners. And round robin tournament, it is a tournament in which the team has to play with every other teams irrespective of win, loss or draw. The different way of drawing fixtures in both the tournament is that in knockout tournament there are 2 methods. First, knockout tournament and seeding tournament. In round robin tournament there are 3 methods to draw fixtures, that is staircase fixtures, cyclic fixtures and tabular fixture. How is food intolerance different from food allergy? Food intolerance, it is a conditions when the person faces difficulty in digesting a particular food. It is due to the deficiency, it is due to the absence of enzyme which is responsible for breakdown of food. And food allergy, it is related to immunity system. And the symptoms of food intolerance is nausea, pain in joint, vomiting, headache, etc. And the treatment, the person should consult the doctors and avoid that food. Write the administrative procedures to test that measure the cardiovascular fitness. Harvard step test, helps to measure the cardiovascular fitness of an individual. In Howard step test, we require gym bench, one assistant, stopwatch, etc. And the procedures to perform the test is: first the players do the warming up, and after that he come near the gym bench, and on the command of go he will step up and step down on the gym bench for 5 minutes at a rate of 30 steps per minute. After that, the assistant measure the pulse rate at pulse 1 for 1 minute or 30 seconds after 1 minute recovery, and then again the assistants measure the pulse rate at pulse 2 after for 1 minute or 30 seconds after 2 minute recovery, and then again the assistant measure the pulse rate at pulse 3 for 1 minute or 30 seconds after 3 minute recovery. And the computations of fitness index is durations of exercise in second into 100 upon 5.5 into pulse counts between 1 to 1.5 meters, or 100 into test duration in second upon 2 into sum of pulse 1, pulse 2 and pulse 3. This is the methods to measure the cardiovascular fitness of an individual. State the various type of fractures and explain how each of them can be managed. First, fractures, it is a cracking or breaking of bones. There may be slight breaking or complete breaking of bones. Fractures is due to the external pressures, and it should be handled only by the expert doctors. There are various type of fractures like complete fractures, incomplete fractures, green streak fractures, impact fractures, oblique fractures, etc. Complete fractures. In complete fractures, the bones break completely into two pieces. In complete fractures, there is slight cracking or partially break up of the bones. In green streak fractures, the bones bend and there is slight cracking of bones. In comminuted fractures, the bones break into many small pieces at the site of fractures. In impact fractures, the broken bones move into another bones. Okay, one bones, okay, the bones that break enters into the another bones. And in transverse fractures, the fractures broke in 90 angles. And in oblique fractures, the bones break diagonally. Stress fractures, it caused by repeated stress on one times. It is maybe in jumping, bone is pressed from one side. And compound fractures, the bones break along with fractures. And complicated, in compound fractures, the bones break along with dislocations. And last, complicated fractures, the bones break as well as the bones break and the delicate organs like kidney, livers, etc. Are damaged by it. And the symptoms are: it causes severe pain around the fractures or joint, the joint become immobilized. It look its look there will be the swelling. The movement is not possible. The temperatures increase. The fractures part is not having natural shape. And the management technique are: first step is do not move the joint or bones. The victims should be kept in a comfortable positions. Apply cold compressions or ice immediately in the joint to reduce the swelling and also to stop the internal bleeding, and provide support by using string or splint bandage to prevent further movement, and also to it had to relieve the victims. After that, the patients should be handled by the expert doctors. X-ray and other diagnosis should be done, and then plasters and then apply the plasters to avoid the movement, and so that the joint take its original position. The immobilizations of joints should be around 3 to 6 weeks as per the doctor advice, and after the full treatment is over, the person should do the rehabilitation exercise or physiotherapy to regain the strength of the muscles or joint under the observation of the coach in a progressive manners. Now we have complete these sample papers. Let once again we do the quick revision. First is cause of cognitive disability. First point is that the disability. What is disability? Disability, it is an impairment impairment which does not, okay, disability, it is an impairment which does not permit an individual to do to perform any activity or movement in a normal way. Okay, disability, it is an impairment that does not permit an individual to perform the movement in a normal way. For example, if a person's leg is cut, then he cannot move normally. Disability, it is of three types: physical impairment, cognitive disability, and intellectual disability. ADHD, cause of ADHD. ADHD means attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. It is a brain disorders marked by ongoing patterns of inattentions, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. In this, the person is not able to pay attention. He faces difficulty to focus. Hyperactivity, the persons seem to move constantly here and there, is not able to sit in a single place for a long time. Impulsivity means the persons make a hasty actions. He do the work without thinking, and the cause of ADHD may be due to brain injury, low birth weight during the birth, environmental factors, etc. And its management technique are by counseling, changing lifestyle changing, medications, sympathy, attitude, etc. Extrovert first Jung classified the personality of a human being on the basis of social dimensions into two parts, that is introvert extrovert. Extrovert type of personality, those persons who are extrovert, they are open minded, talkative, socially adjust, express their feeling openly. They live in the present world, etc.